Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? Did you know at one time it was considered unlucky to receive a $2 bill? We're going to talk about how to turn this superstition around with some rare and valuable $2 bills that you'd be incredibly lucky if you owned. Let's take a look at a few $2 bills that sold for much more than face value. Take a look at this 2017 $2 bill. It looks to be in pretty good condition and worth the usual $2 until you notice the serial number. The serial number is really low, and it matches the year this video was made. The combination of the low serial number and the fact that this number matches the current year makes it a great gift for someone born in the year 2023. It's also a star note as indicated by the star at the end of the serial number. Because of the condition of the bill and the low serial number of the bill, this eBay listed note sold for $249. It definitely pays to check those serial numbers. Here's a good-looking 1953 Red Seal $2 note. Red Seal notes are more rare than the current notes you see today. This $2 bill is worth even more than the normal one because it contains a rare error. Take a look at the serial number on the left of the note. The 6th digit should actually be a 5, and the 6 isn't even aligned with the rest of the serial numbers. This note was actually graded by PMG, and the error was validated as you can see the word stuck digit error to the left of the grade. This note graded Choice 35, and it was sold on eBay for $300. Another example of why it's important to check that serial number. This 2017 $2 note sold on eBay for $400. Here's why. First, the bill is crisp and creaseless. That's not uncommon though. Because $2 bills aren't circulated as much as other notes, you tend to see them in decent shape. The value of this note is all in the very low serial number. 1,423. You're not going to see many bills with a serial number like this in circulation. If you do, you better get it listed somewhere. Take a look at this 1953 Yellow Seal $2 bill. Have you ever heard of a yellow seal on a $2 bill? The seal and serial numbers on this note are actually supposed to be red. What happened to this note? Certain chemicals can change the red seal notes to yellow. This isn't a mint error. I certainly wouldn't pay $520 for a post-mint color change, but this $2 bill had 18 bids and finally sold for $520. There's a rare error on this $2 bill. Did you see it? Let's look a little closer. Take a look at the serial number on the left. Now take a look at the serial number on the right. See the prefix? The first serial number begins with an H, and the second one begins with a B. These numbers are supposed to be the same. This 1976 Federal Reserve note graded 64, and it sold on eBay for over $500. This $2 bill is fancy AF. I love the artwork and the detail. Not so much though on the back. This isn't an error note, and there's nothing special about the serial number. This is just an old silver certificate that graded a 45. What's it worth? It sold on eBay for almost $1,000. Here's a 2017 $2 bill that sold for $1,000. Sometimes at auctions people get excited and descriptions of items are exaggerated or cleverly written. A buyer should always do their research before buying anything of value. The serial number on this bill is low, but we've seen lower. It's also a star note. There was only one bid on this note, but that's all the seller needed to bring in $998 worth of profit on a 5-year-old note. Here's a cool looking $2 bill. This is a Red Seal note from 1963. This note was graded a 69, just shy of a perfect 70. Like the title says, this note is in superb condition. It's considered top pop, which means that this is the highest known grade for this year in denomination. That's why this $2 bill sold on eBay for $1,200. Can you imagine finding a $2 bill in circulation with a serial number of 1? I don't know the story behind this 1976 $2 bill, but take a look at the creases, the folds, and the staining. This bill looks like it was in circulation for a while before someone took a good look at the serial number. This $2 note was graded and came in at a 30 on a scale from 1 to 70. The note was later put up for auction on heritageauctions.com and sold for $6,600. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.